Good morning. Welcome students. Today we are going to learn class 8 mathematics topic altitudes and medians of a triangle. So let us start our chapter. What is concurrent lines? When three or more lines intersect in one point, they are concurrent. And the point at which the lines intersect is called point of concurrency. What is medians? Median of a triangle. A median is a segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. See here. In this figure, the line with color is the median of the triangle. In this figure, triangle HFC, the line FD is median. It is drawn from vertex F to the midpoint of line HC, that is D. The medians of a triangle are concurrent. All intersect at point that divides each median into two segments, one of which is twice as long as the other. The point of concurrence is called the centroid, also called the center of gravity or center of balance. Here you can see a figure, triangle ABC, where the centroid is denoted by letter G and the lines BR, CP and AQ, these are the medians which intersect at point G. That is clearly seen. Picture of cuboid, centroid. Here you can see a picture of centroid. If centroid point is C, here each median is divided into two parts, that is in the ratio of 1:2. That is from 2b, x2, x4, k2, k10, k5, like this 1:2 ratio. Altitudes of a triangle. An altitude is a segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle perpendicular to the opposite side. It can be inside, altitude can be on a side or outside the triangle. In acute triangle, altitude is inside. In right triangle, altitude is on side, whereas in obtuse triangle, the altitude is outside. You can see the figures of three triangles. Here, if you want to locate a location of orthocenter of a triangle, here three activities are given. First is for right angle triangle, second is for obtuse angle triangle, and third is for acute angle triangle. In these three figures, you can observe it is first it is on side, second is outside of the triangle, and in third it is inside the triangle. Here the perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. Here in triangle ABC, the line AP is altitude of the triangle ABC. It is a perpendicular drawn on a line BC. Orthocenter. The lines that contain the altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. They all intersect at a single point. The point of concurrency of the altitudes is called the orthocenter. Orthocenter is nothing but the point of concurrency of the altitudes of the triangle. Usually in this figure you can see XYZ figure. Here orthocenter is at point O. Here altitudes XR, ZP and YQ intersect at point O. Another figure you can see for orthocenter, the mark with blue color, the dot mark with blue color is orthocenter of a triangle, of a given triangle. Finding lengths of medians. A problem is here. M is the centroid of triangle WOR and WM is equal to 16. Find WX. Here you can see WX is nothing but a median of a triangle. So WX is get divided in the ratio of 2:1 at centroid point M. So WM is 16. So it will be mx will be half of that, so it will be 8. So wm is equal to 16 and mx will be 8, and total wx will be 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. So answer of the question is 24. Here you can see identifying medians and altitudes. Is kx a median and altitude? Neither or both. Question is like this in the given figure. You can see kx is altitude, as you can see perpendicular is drawn from k to the line lm, so it is altitude. But at the same time you can see the line lm is divided in two equal parts, or it is lx is equal to xm is shown, so kx is also a median, so it is both altitude also and median also. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.